bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
Open the hood. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Unclip and remove the housing panel. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1172C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.